Hi student, in this video lecture we will talk about the genetic basis of heterosis. As in the previous video lecture we will talk about the introduction to the heterosis. So if you don't watch that video, please first watch that video and then join this video. So in this lecture mainly we will discuss the causes of heterosis. What are the genetic causes of the heterosis? So look at see here first we will understand the heterosis is. Suppose we have two individuals that is have genotype that is capital A and the other or parent that have the genetic genotype that is small a. It means it is homozygous dominant and it is homozygous recessive. When we cross these two parents, we will get the offspring or the hybrid that is capital A and small a, mean it is heterozygote. Now when this heterozygote or hybrid, it will show superiority over its both parent. Now this hybrid, it is called as hybrid vigor, while the phenomena actually called as heterosis, because it will lead into the hybrid vigor, because hybrid vigor it is superior over parent, and many character are trait you can say such as yield, growth, and reproductive ability. So and these such character it will show superiority over its parent. Now why this hybrid vigor, or you can say this heterozygote, it will show superiority over its parents? Now what are the causes of this superiority? So many theories was proposed to explain the causes of heterosis. Then why the hybrid figure shows superiority over parents? So many of the theory they were proposed to explain the genetic basis causes that why the heterozygote it will show superiority over parents. The first hypothesis that is dominant hypothesis, the second one that is over dominance hypothesis, and the third one that is epistasis hypothesis. These two, the first one that is dominance and the second over dominance hypothesis, it will show the allelic interaction, while epistasis it will explain the non-allelic interactions. So mainly in this video lecture we will mainly discuss the dominant hypothesis of heterosis. Now look at see here what the dominant hypothesis is. Actually, as we know that this is the structure of the chromosome. Now in the chromosome, the location are the place where the gene it is located. Now this place are the location of the gene, and the chromosome it is called as locus. Now in this locus, the gene it is exist in two alternative form, which is called as allele. And because in each organism we have two copy of the parent, that is parent, mothers and father. So that's why we have two type of the allele. So it may have the combination such like capital A or capital A small a, or simply small a small a. So these are the different type of the combination of the allele. Now, when we cross this parent capital A with a small a, when we cross this parent, we will get the heterozygote organism. So the location at the locus where the dominant allele it is present. So this dominant allele it is actually responsible or control the favorable characters, while the locus are where the recessive allele it is present. So it will control the unfavorable characters. So you can see here when these both are coming in a cross, now we will get the heterozygote. Now in this heterozygote, actually this superiority of the heterozygote it is mainly due to the masking of the dominant allele. So this dominant allele it will mask this harmful effect of this recessive allele. So that's why the hybrid vigor it will show superiority over its parents. Now normally this is the dominance hypothesis. So you can see here said mainly this dominant hypothesis it was proposed by Davenport. Mainly it was further explained or forwarded by the Kibble and Pallow. Now what are the statement of dominant hypothesis is? Actually it said that at each locus actually the position of the gene on chromosome, the dominant allele has favorable effect, or it have a beneficial effect, or it control the beneficial character or favorable character, while the recessive allele have unfavorable effect, or it control the harmful effect, or harmful it is responsible for the expression of harmful characters. So when in heterozygote, when we cross the parents, so we will get the heterozygote, because for the heterozygote the main reason that is heterozygosity, when there is more heterozygosity there will be more heterosis. Now in case of this heterosis state, the harmful effect are the non unfavorable effect are the character of the recessive allele are masked by the dominant allele. So due to this masking effect of the dominant allele which masks the harmful effect of the recessive allele, so due to which the hybrid vigor it will show superiority over its parents. So this is about the dominant hypothesis of heterosis. So you can see here in the human, you can see the example that is sickle cell anemia. So say in case of the sickle cell anemia at the heterozygote state, dominant and recessive at the heterozygote state, so no anemia it is occur because the dominant allele it is able to mask the phenotypic expression of the recessive or harmful expression of the recessive allele. So the sickle cell anemia it also work on the dominance hypothesis. So this is the first theory about the genetic basis or the causes of the heterosis, that is dominant hypothesis. Thank you so much.